going to be a haul video on Kylie Cosmetics and KKW. I'm not going to go in any order in particular. I'm just going to be taking things out of the bag and showing them to you guys. So my mom was coming. So the first thing is the Kylie, I think this is called the Momager, but I'm not 100% sure. Next, it's the Kylie and Ulta collab that they did in the shade Ulta Beauty. I think it looks really pretty, but I haven't actually tried it on yet. Next is her Posse or Posy K lip kit thing, but it's the trio, so it comes with all three different types of lipsticks that she... Next, oh, that's not it. I got her pressed powder before it would sell out because I knew that that was going to happen, so I went ahead and I got it right away. And I also got a bronze powder from her in the shade Almond. Next, I got her lip liner in the shade Posy K so that I could do the whole set. From KKW, I got her contour palette. I also got 2 different concealers from KKW and her setting powder. I got 4 different lipstick shades from her, one pink, peach, another pink, and then cherry pop. From Kylie, I got 1 lipstick shade and it's in the shade Crush, and then I got 2 different concealers as well. Because I got the setting powder from Kylie Cosmetics, she sent a little letter. This is what it said. And then I wanted to touch base on the packaging of the KKW Beauty. I actually really like this clear box. I think it's really cool. However, I feel like Kylie has more product in her actual stuff. And I feel like because she has more product in her actual makeup, that her prices are more worth it because you're paying for more instead of paying more for less, which is what the situation was with KKW. But that's all I really have to say about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I got a lot of different boxes instead of getting everything in one packaging because I wanted to see if I would get anything like other people have gotten, which were like ants in their packaging. But I didn't have that situation, so I don't know if maybe it was just their post office maybe that had it and they got into the boxes, because I know that we had a really bad ant problem at our house and they somehow got into people's gifts, but I don't know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.